So I get questions on pretty much every single crochet braid video that I post of people asking me, does the hair tangle? Yes. Does the hair mat? Yes. Does the hair have knots in it? Yes. Is the hair rough? Yes. It's all of that. And it's still popping, period. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you never miss an upload, especially if you are coming over here from TikTok, sis. Like, we're going crazy on TikTok, period. Like, if you are into like lifestyle content, spend the day with me, mini vlogs and all that, head over to my TikTok, sis, and follow me over there. That's gonna be where all my lifestyle content is posted. We're going viral on TikTok, okay, period. Like, this spin the day I just posted has almost 40,000 views, and I'm just like, I'm really in shock. Like, I'm really in shock. I'm really amazed. And I'm like so excited today. So yeah, if you are coming over here from TikTok, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. And even if you're not, you should subscribe anyway. So let's go ahead and just jump right into today's video, you guys. So the hair that I'm currently wearing is the freetress 3X Joyfull curl. This is the most recent crochet braid video that I posted. This is our 3-week update. So I believe tomorrow we'll actually make 3 weeks, but I'm filming this like one day early because I just want to go ahead and film this for you guys and cut this out and move on to our next crochet braid style. Okay, so yeah, I'm coming to you guys looking pretty plain today because honestly my eye was a little irritated this morning and I didn't want to put any makeup on, and I also wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like when you basically don't do anything to it. So for like the first week and a half, 2 weeks or so, I did twist my hair every single night in 4 to 6 twists just around my head, silk scarf, bonnet, bed. Okay, after that, about like 2 weeks or so, I was just kind of like done with the twisting of the hair. I was over it. I was just putting on my scarf and going to sleep. So this is what the hair is going to look like if you do not twist it up at night. So you can't tell me this hair isn't growing out of my scalp. So you guys can see how my edges are in the front. I have not obviously put any edge control or anything on them. I wanted to show you guys exactly how the hair looks, just plain. So I get questions on pretty much every single crochet braid video that I post of people asking me, does the hair tangle? Yes. Does the hair mat? Yes. Does the hair have knots in it? Yes. Is the hair rough? Yes. It's all of that. And it's still popping, period. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this. You can see right here, all this matted section really just needs to be cut out. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today, kind of like some maintenance for the crochet braids. Don't mind me if I'm looking down, my mirror is over here, so I'm going to be cutting, making sure I can actually see what I'm doing when I'm cutting. So this hair has absolutely no product on it, nothing. It has nothing on it, you guys. You don't need anything. This hair is a natural textured type of crochet. It is not silky by any means. It was a lot softer when I first installed it. Of course, it's gotten rougher like as the weeks have gone on, but it's honestly not really bad. This is definitely like one of my favorite crochet braid hairs, and I will be wearing it again. I will be wearing this again. Like, I love this hair. I love it. I love it. So yeah, all you're gonna need to do is separate the curls. And when I say separate the curls, this is one curl, this is another curl, and then this would be another. So remember, if you guys watched the original video, and if you have not, I am going to link it down below in the description box so you can check it out, as well as the link to my crochet braid playlist so you can see all of the other crochets that I've done since I've been on YouTube. And yeah, so I installed this hair without splitting it. So this really is what one single piece looks like from straight out of the pack. And this is what I mean when I say separate the curl. So literally all I'm gonna be doing is like taking just the one curl and I'm just pulling it, you guys. I'm literally just pulling it apart so that we can get it separated. just like this, really easy. And all you guys are gonna wanna do is just go in and cut all that matted hair. Like, do not be afraid to cut your crochet braids. Like, you're not gonna be able to tell. So just make sure you take like things like this. You can just take this whole thing and just cut it off. Like, you trash, okay? You don't need that. So anything that's like this, that's all I'm gonna be doing. So I'm really just gonna be going through the hair. I'm gonna speed this up and I'm just gonna show you guys how I remove all of this unnecessary like matting and stuff. So yeah, let's just go ahead and speed this up. So I've done this section over here, and really all I'm gonna be doing, I'm kind of raking my fingers through, but like not really, because your fingers can't really go through crochet braid hair. That's another question I get all the time. Like, can you run your fingers through it? Like, no, sis. Like, I mean, just think of this as like regular natural curly hair. Like, if you have natural hair, you know you cannot run your fingers through your natural hair because you're going to disturb the curls. Like, no, you can't do that. So it's not meant to be. You don't need to, and it's going to look popping regardless. Like, you don't need to touch it. This is synthetic hair. This is the point, you guys. It's supposed to be easy breezy, straight out the pack, like not much to do. Okay, so yeah, you guys can see as I'm doing this here, just on the ends, how you're getting like this at the end. That's the part that you want to get rid of. So you can see we have a little here, and then the rest we're just going to cut. So I have it like this, and I'm just going to take it and just cut that off, and super easy. You guys can see how now and I'm not sure if I said whether or not this hair has any product on it, but it doesn't, and you definitely don't need any. The only thing that I may put on this would be a little of the Cantu Shine and Hold Mist, and that's literally just for scent, not for any other purpose other than that, because like I said, this is a very natural hair. The texture of this hair is very natural, so you really don't need any products on it. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and just continue separating the curls and cutting out any matting. And trim the end so that I don't have all that roughness. So literally just want to make sure that it's even. And that is pretty much it for this little maintenance portion of the video. So very, very easy. Oh, I have hair under my nails. Okay, so very, very easy, you guys, to maintain this type of hair. It is very, very natural. So if you are looking for something, okay, let me say this. Another question that I always get is the hair good in water? I don't know, like I'm not swimming with the hair in, so I'm not sure. However, based on the texture of hair that it is, I would say it'll be okay. I would think that silkier textured crochet braids would be preferable if you are going to be getting into water, and that's because on those types of products you can easily use, excuse me, on those type of crochets you can easily use products. So a water and conditioner mix. You could also wash your hair if you really, really need to. You could do that. You can also put mousse on silky hair. So, right, I would definitely recommend a silkier texture hair if you're gonna be getting in water, just because I feel like after if you swim or whatever and your head gets completely wet under the water, you can use like a conditioner, water mix or whatever, spray it, and then twist it or braid it in like, you know, about 6 twists or so, 6 twist braids, whatever, over your head, and you can restore the curls like that. With this, I'm not sure how it's gonna really react in water. And also this hair is pretty warm, so I probably wouldn't recommend this for vacation. I do have 3 packs in my head. It's not really heavy, but it is warm, so you might not want to wear this in the summer months. However, I personally love this hair. I love this hair. I love natural textured types of crochet braids, and I would say for the duration of this hair, anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks for me. Now, everyone has their own opinion on when a crochet braid style is old and when they're done with it, but I like to switch up my hair pretty frequently. Obviously, I have a YouTube channel, so I switch up my hair pretty often, but I would say if I wasn't ready to move on to my next style, I'd probably wear this one for like a month. So, and you guys can see how my edges are looking in the front. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. Let me show you all the back, how it's looking. So I think I have pretty much covered like everything in this crochet braid update video. I know I keep playing with it, but this hair is so cute, y'all. It's so cute, and it's so big. I'm sorry I keep looking over here. I really hate that my viewfinder is on the side of my camera instead of like at the top, because I just be wanting to make sure I'm like still in frame and stuff. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions about this crochet braid style, of course be sure to leave them in the comment section down below. I always get back to you guys. I think I pretty much covered everything in this video though. I don't know what other questions you guys can have about it, but I like this hair a lot. Definitely top 5. I may do a crochet braid video on my top 5 crochet braid styles. This is definitely going to be one of them, period. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Oh, and my set, you guys, is from my loungewear store at joyfull.com, so be sure to shop that. This is just a cute little 2-piece loungewear set, long sleeve shirt, and some little shorts. So yeah, I will leave the link to my website in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out. Leave your questions and stuff in the comment section down below. And of course, let me know what you think of this style if you've tried it before. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.